Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So I want to go into more depth regarding, is it possible to grow cloudberries on the balcony, yes or no? This is the main proof, so to say, that yes, it is possible. How I did it, it was pretty simple, to be honest. I have used these kind of self-watering pots, so to say, or containers. So as you can see, they have water underneath. The kind or variety of cloudberry I used was a kind called Nyby, which I actually bought from Finland. So this kind is self-pollinating, so there are no females nor males. All of these are the same. I have actually, this is the only plant I have planted which doesn't actually need any drainage at all. So I don't have any kind of stones or pebbles or anything like that in the bottom. The only thing I used was peat. So no soil at all, just peat. And then I just planted these, and these are into their second year right now. And as you can see, I have this top layer with kind of small wood pieces which I bought in the store, and this is mainly so it should look nice, but then secondly it's actually to keep the moist, because this plant requires moist all the time. So you don't need any drainage, you don't need any kind of nutrition. Actually, I put some nutrition anyway into these to see what happens, but you shouldn't need it. And you don't need any expensive soil. So this is actually a very cheap one to plant. So yes, it is possible. As you can see, they have already started to shoot some flowers, and we are in beginning of May. And okay, yeah, of course they need sun, so that's what they need. So this is pretty much how you plant cloudberries on your own balcony or patio or something else. So it is possible. I've never heard anyone else actually planting cloudberries on their balcony, but it is very easy. So this is the proof. When I tell some people that I've done it, not so many actually that actually believes me. So here's the proof, as you can see. Usually put a lot of water into these, so you can see the water level here, almost full. So yeah, that's how it is. Cheers.